Okay, let's go to the second concept about processes in Beam, which is the base of all interacting processes and all the dynamic systems in Beam, which will define a model of a game. The model compiled, this is our result. Let's see what we have here. We have a model named game, then it defines a method named play, and by default this method is just a method. We'll see after how we will use this. And we have a received message. When this method play is called, it will stop here, and then we'll start to expect a message in the process box. When a message comes, it will try to pattern match here or here, which is, did I receive a ping or did I receive the pong? It expected the message to be a tuple. It could be anything that Elixir accepts. It could be a map, just an atom, or any other things. We should exclude the other types in Elixir, but for now accept that is a tuple and it has 2 arguments, and this can be passed to the process. And if received ping, it received as well the sender PID, which is the one that called the process. It will print a message, it will sleep for 1 second, and then it will call the method pong to the sender PID, telling that myself pasted this message. And then it will call play again. When I call play again, I will come back to this method and will go back to receive expression, which will expect the next message. If the pong is called, what changes is that the message is different, but the rest of the process is the same, and it will be in an infinite loop. Perceive that we are recursive calling play, and Elixir have a tail optimization call, which if the last call is the same method, it will never stack overflow. Stack overflow is something you have in imperative language like C, C++, Python, and other of the same kind. But Elixir don't keep spamming the heap. It will just go to the first address of memory from the method, and it will be looping without expanding the memory. In the practice, how can I do that? Well, I will use that spawn from before, but now I will pass a model. I will pass a method to be called, but it will be called like it is an atom, and the arguments, in this case, it's options for the process, and it will return a PID, which will be important to use. Okay, process is spammed. Where is this process right now? It's hooked on the receive instruction. It don't have any message coming, so it won't do nothing until it have a message. We'll spawn a second game with a PID2. Now we have 2 PIDs, 2 processes. They are expecting messages, but no one is passing messages to no one, so they are just expecting. At this point I can use the new keyword I told you, that is send, and this is the source of the send. Oh, sorry, this is the target, and this is the message I'm passing. Ping will match here, right? And I will pass a second argument, which is the PID of the process calling. Since I start this game, we start a classical ping pong solution, and well, there is no other rule, there is no stopping condition, so ping pong will play forever. Thank you.